It's what Javon.
It's your girl Shotbun.
Start up in the comment section, man.
Okay. You got that. I just.
Yeah, I got it out. You know, I had to lay it out. Subscribe, because I would say it again. You thought. I know you didn't subscribe because I seen you watch the video, but you didn't subscribe. You know why? Because YouTube is snitching on y'all. They be telling us when you subscribe and when you don't. A majority of you mother skunks watching the video, but you aren't subscribed. I see y'all. Yeah, Billy Bop.
Okay, anyways, this your girl Shotbun, and we are back with another BB game reaction video. Boom! You happy? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to be reacting to, you said it's Trinidad?
Yeah, this is not a Trinidad artist, guys.
A Trinidad artist, again.
Created by the same person.
Don't come at me if I get the name pronounced wrong. Jaron.
A few moments later.
Jaron. We're gonna go to Jaron.
I hope I pronounced it right, bro.
The song is called Let Go.
I feel like I didn't pronounce it right.
Guys, we got the official lyric video. We got some lyrics to this song.
What you guys requested? Some lyrics.
So yeah, guys, we about to get straight into this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, support us. We support back. Yeah, let's get straight to this video.
Please support a young YouTube who's trying to make it in life. Remember, if I can do it, if we can do it, you can do it too. Oh shit! I said Caribbean got the best beat, bro. Hands 10 toes down, best beat.
Okay, I'm about to restart this because I really wasn't listening to the words.
He dived straight into it.
He really did.
He dived straight into it.
He wasn't playing with none of y'all.
Jesus.
Okay, I'm finna start over because we didn't listen to the words.
He dived straight into it. You know the lyrics? You know what's alkaline? Alkaline water? Never go away.
Let go.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, let me focus on.
He said he don't want no punching that interfere with his
Hey,
lungs.
I wasn't looking. I was like, let me focus right now. Let me focus and listen to what he's saying. That's a one?
He said he don't want no punching because it interferes with his lungs. Like he don't want no alcohol because it interferes with his
I think it
lungs.
was yeah.
Okay.
I got love, peace. Hey, this song got real Trinidad music, bro. This song got real Trinidad music.
This is a gospel song, ain't it?
It sound like it.
Or is it just
like,
okay?
It sound like it.
Like a Trinidad.
Like go with the devil, you know. But like every how would I say dancer artist or a rapper, you know, they at least sing at least one gospel music in their life. Devil, let go, guys, in control of me. Let go the hate. All love. No drugs. Only Jesus. I am blessed. I got peace.
Flowing like a river, joy inside of me. Feeling like a winner, 'cause too long the devil had me down. Tell them that I'm no longer born. Tell the devil let go, you're not holding me. You're controlling me. You're inside every day.
Let go.
You're not holding me. You're controlling me.
Jesus, youth. You sound like you're a gospel type artist. Guys, I'm not sure. This is my first time listening to this artist. Comment down below if he's a gospel artist or. Yeah, I think it sounds like he's a gospel artist.
I vibe with it.
I'm more than vibe with it. That's something you can rock, vibe, shit.
Roll,
drum.
hip hop.
Boy, if you don't.
Boom, flip backward.
Nah, it's a good song. It's a pretty good song. I like it.
Fire, straight fire.
It's a good
Let
song.
go.
I like the beat and everything. It gives you one of those good, like when you
Never
travel
go
to a
away.
different country and like the music play, like on a movie and the music play on the movie.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm talking about?
I like the end of it.
Hmm?
Let the end.
Well, yeah, or like in the beginning, when you know when you go like on the movies, like they go to a different country or whatever, like a Caribbean type country, and the music plays or whatever. It's like okay, you know,
They show like the island, the water, okay, and the coconut, or
yeah, it put me in those type of vibes. It's really cool. I like it.
Peace and love. Let go of the devil. Please go away. God is in control. If you feel it, comment down below what you guys think. I feel it. I love it. I respect it. Shout out to the guy who requested this song. What do you think about it?
I like it.
Yep, I like it, man. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I don't want this video to be too long. And remember, chase the vision.
Not the money.
Thank you. Chase the vision and the money.